Welcome to all. I am Suryakant Tarte, Assistant Professor, Shiv Shankar College of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology, Mirasgaon. Today we will say about the Nala bunding. These photographs shows the Nala bunding works, how the nalas are constructed across the stream flow. The purpose is to intercept or store the runoff water at the upstream side of the nalas. So suitable bund are constructed across the nalas. Here the purpose is to intercept the runoff or to reduce the velocity of runoff and to store the water at the upstream side. So water will have enough opportunity to percolate downward or increase the groundwater recharge. Now we will see about Nala bunding. It consists of constructing the bunds of suitable size across the Nala or gully for intercepting the runoff coming from upstream area and to create a temporary water storage. The temporary storage of runoff created against these bunds results the deposition of silt over the gully bed. These bunds are also provided with surplus arrangement to drain excess water from the storage in a controlled manner. The important function of this construction are: first one, on a long slopy surface, it creates a means of water collection for percolation of water into deeper soil profile and thus enriching the soil by moisture. Second, it plays a significant role in reduction of soil erosion and thereby checks the silting of natural water courses, lakes, reservoirs, etc. by interrupting the rapidly moving surface water. Next, the areas at upstream side of the bund are raised by some height due to progressive deposition of silt. It facilitates to reclaim the gully lands and it provides a means of groundwater recharge. The Nala bunding work is found more suitable in arid and semi-arid regions, which involves low rainfall and relatively permeable soils. In Maharashtra, the Nala bunding work has been carried out in drought-prone areas of black soil region with annual rainfall less than 75 centimeters, with catchment area of about 80 to 500 hectares, where slope of Nala is less than 3%. In Karnataka, this work is also in practice for plugging the small gullies by constructing the bunds with the help of stones. The detail of stone bunds are given as: its height should not be more than 1.2 meters. Upstream slope it should be nearly vertical. Downstream slope it should be 1:4. The depth of foundation it is equal to 0.6 meter in hard rocks. Flanks it should be 1.2 meter inside the natural ground on both sides. Nala bunds are structures constructed across nalas for checking velocity of runoff or for increasing water percolation and improving the soil moisture regime. The objectives of nala bunding work: the first objective is to impound surface runoff coming from the catchments and to facilitate percolation of stored water into soil substrata with a view to raise groundwater level in the zone of influence of Nala bund. The second objective is to hold the silt flowing which would otherwise reach the multipurpose reservoirs and reduce their useful life. Next point is the specific site conditions. The feasibility of site for locating Nala bunds depends upon technical and economic considerations such as: the site should be selected in relatively flatter Nala ridge. The slope of the Nala should not be more than 2%. As far as far as possible, the catchment area of the Nala bund should not be less than 40 hectares. There should be proper site for construction of emergency spillway by the side of the Nala bund. Nala bed should have soils with adequate permeability. Next point is the execution of nala bunding work. How the nala bunding work is being executed. It consists of different steps. The first step is to conduct a detailed survey of nala by using a suitable grid ranging from minimum 15 meter to maximum 90 meter for preparing the survey plan. Second step is to fix the position of nala checks on the survey plan. The third step is to compute the detailed estimate. The fourth step is to prepare the layout of foundation work after fixing the points of FSL, food supply level, HFL, high flood level, and cutout outlets. The next step is to excavate the puddle trench required for nala bunding work. Next step is to construct the core wall before filling the earth material to form the bund. The function of core wall is to form a barrier between upstream and downstream section of the bund to check the passing of water from the bund section. Next step is to perform the excavation of cutout construction. The next step is to construct the bund by digging the soil and filling the bund portion by earth materials. Next step is to do stone pitching of constructed bund. It is usually done on upstream face of bund to check the damage likely to be caused by water currents and water pressure. This figure shows the nala bunding work, how the bunds are constructed across the nalas to store the water at the upstream side of